So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So guys, today topic we are going to see about your person next action, and as well as we are going to see about your person channel or messages as well. So for all the air element like a Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, you can see this video. So this reading is especially for the air element Gemini, Libra and Aquarius. If at all your zodiac sign is to be light on this Gemini, Libra and Aquarius, you can able to watch this reading. Okay, so now we are going to see about, especially we are going to see about your person next action and as well as their channel or messages. So if at all you guys are watching my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So guys, please give a love and support, please give it support, please do subscribe, because your subscription and your like support is very important for me to grow this channel, and it will definitely motivates me a lot. Okay, so yeah guys, let's start the reading now, like what your person next action. So, oh my god. So, for the one on the deck, I get the card Heartbroken. I think you guys are feeling very heartbroken. Maybe. Okay. Yes. So, we get the card like Sunglasses. So bottom of the deck we get the Heartbroken, and the next card we get a Girl with a Snake. I don't know, this card is repeatedly coming for all the sign. And the next card we get a Kisses. And next card we get the Boat. And the next card we get the Karmic Relationship. So there may be a strong some kind of a third party involvement will be happen on your relationship, because with the Girl with the Snake, Heartbroken, and with the Karmic Relationship, I can see that there may be some kind of a chances that you maybe feel that you are in a karmic kind of a relationship. Okay, for some cases you maybe think that you may be dealing with some kind of a karmic kind of a relationship. For others you maybe think that this person is dealing with some kind of a karmic kind of a person in their life. Okay, this may either you maybe think that your partner having some kind of a third party involvement, and they are dealing with some kind of like a karmic kind of a relationship with them. You maybe think about that. Okay, whereas in some cases you are feeling very negative and you are thinking that so you are in a karmic kind of a relationship, that you are dealing in a karmic kind of a situation, because that is not any kind of an improvement. You are feeling very much heartbroken, you are feeling like left out in the cold, you are feeling that this connection have been come to the end, there is nothing, there is no point to be communicate with this person, like that you maybe think. Okay, so there may be some kind of a chances that physical things may be involved in your relationship in the past. Okay, and after this kind of things, I think your person may have some kind of a secondary options as well, like some kind of a third party involvement may also be happen in this relationship. Okay, so it's, if at all it's not any cases like any kind of a sexual involvement, I think some kind of an materialistic things might be involved. So there may be some kind of a chances that this person may treated you in a wrong way. Okay, but whatever the energy could be, but I think you both are spying each other. So in your side I can heavily see that even though you may be detached from this person, but you are still spying on this person. You are waiting for the hope that this person will try to communicate, this person will try to speak the truth, the person will try to bring something solid in your life. That's what you are thinking, and you are keep watching and you are keep waiting for this person in the maybe some kind of a distance involved between you both. It's either could be a physical distance or either it could be a communication distance. So some kind of a long distance relationship may also be possible. For some cases this karmic relationship could be their partner. You dealing with some kind of a married person, for some kind of people, for some set of the people it will be resonate. So you maybe deal with some kind of a married kind of a relationship, a married person. So this karmic relationship could be their wife. Okay, So overall with this boat I can say that whatever the situations could be, I can clearly see that there may be some kind of a chances that your person will try to communicate, some kind of an improvement will be happen on this relationship gradually. I'm not saying it will be happen in a very sudden manner, like suddenly this person will come and talk, suddenly this person will come and communicate, suddenly this person will come and give you the offer, will give you the solid commitment. I'm not saying like that, okay? There may be some kind of a chances that this person will try to communicate, will try to fix these things, and the situation will be get improved in a gradually. It's like slowly the process will be like a very slow, okay? It's exactly be like a Knight of Pentacles, the process will be like a very slow, but there may be some kind of an improvement will be happen, because I can see that in the both the side there is some kind of an strongly the spying energy is there. It's not like only you spying this person, they also mirroring you, they also spying you, okay? Like the way you feel that this relationship is being like a very toxic, a karmic kind of a relationship, this person is also feeling the same. So whoever they are deal with, they are thinking that those relationship with the third party is be like a karmic kind of a relationship, because they are also not happy, they are also feeling very much toxic here. So let's see about your person channel messages, like what their feelings. So let's see for the air element. So what on the deck we get, we both know I am not the one for you, okay? So yes, this person is dealing with a karmic kind of a relationship, or some kind of the people. I have already mentioned you that you may be deal with any kind of a married person, any kind of a married person. So in that cases they are thinking that it's be like a very tough situation for them to leave their partner, to leave their marital life and come back to you, okay? Because as I said you that this person will try to communicate with you, but I'm not saying that this person will do and give you the solid commitment right away. It's not like that. It takes some time for them, it definitely takes some time for them, but this person will be on your touch. It's not it's be like a silent treatment, or this person will be in a no contact situation. It's not like that. This person will be in touch, this person will try to communicate, this person will be in a contact list, but the improvement will be happen like slowly the improvement will be happen on this relationship. And the next card we get you and Iva 2 okay? So this person is feeling some kind of an past life connections or something like that, because this person may think that they need to choose you as their partner rather than they have chosen the third party. The next card we get, I wish I had treated you better. Yes, they know that what mistake they have been done, because they know that you feel very heartbroken because of them, okay? This person know that they have treated you in a wrong manner, so they know that you have feel very much heartbroken inside, okay? So that's the reason this person is keeping an eye on you. This person is keeping an eye on you. It's not like only you keeping an eye on them. So the next card we get, I wish I could share my good news with you, okay? So for some kind of the people, there may be some kind of a chances that any kind of a good news this person wants to be say. Maybe this person show you as a good news. I can see that, I can feel that maybe this person wants to show you that right now they are being interested with you, but at the same time, if at all you're asking for the commitment, again this will be a bigger deal for them. They can't give you the commitment right now. They can talk with you, they can communicate with you, they can do like slow, they can be like a slow and steady wins the race kind of an concept, okay? So you should need to have a patience for this, guys. You should definitely need to have a patience to deal with this kind of a person, okay? It's not like overnight this person will give you the commitment. I love you unconditionally. So after this sneaky behavior of the third party, this person's heart is broken right now, and this person is feeling that unconditional love towards you, that now they are understanding that you could be a true partner in their life. Oh my god, it's be like a too late here, right? So this person now feeling that energy, that right now they are feeling very heartbroken, like the way you are feeling heartbroken right now, they are feeling the heartbroken kind of an energy. So if at all they are in a married kind of relationship, now they don't want to be in that relationship anymore. They want to be divorced their person. They want to be shut off their person. They want to be cut off their person right away. And at the same time, as I said before, if at all they are cutting this third party, if at all they are end up the third party, I don't see that again this person will come and give you the strong solid commitment. They will take some kind of a pass button, so that they can give you in the future, they can give you the solid commitment. Okay, so these are the thing I can see from your person. And so right now they are also in some kind of a transformation, and they are also some kind of an analytic kind of a period. They are looking into their life, like what could be right for them, what could be wrong for them, but they have get some kind of an answer. They have get some kind of an they have analyzed something about this relationship, so they know the answer, so that they will try to put their next move over you. Okay, like they can put their first move over you, but it's be like a very slow movement. Okay, it's not be like a very fast movement. So these are the energy I can see for the air element. So guys, if at all you like my video, if at all interested with you, please give a like, share and subscribe. Please do subscribe. Each and every person's support and subscription will definitely motivates me a lot. So if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, so welcome you all to my channel. So guys, if at all your friends and family members interested in tarot readings, please do recommend the channel to them. Please do share my videos to them, so that they can also get some kind of a clarity, some kind of a guidance. And as well as guys, if at all you need any kind of a personal reading, you can reach out either on my WhatsApp or else my Instagram. Both the details have been given in the pinned comment. You can check with that. And if at all you are interested to learn the tarot cards, you can join on my section. You can join on my classes. Like I am teaching from basic to advanced with a very affordable prices, so you can check, you can join with that. So if at all you need any details about that, you can do reach out either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. And next thing guys, like the way you are giving your support on my YouTube, please give your support on my Instagram account as well. And one more time, I just want to say you the same, I just want to repeat the same thing guys, like please give your support, please give your support. Each and every support will definitely motivates me a lot. And for the next videos, I will definitely post about the August month reading overall, like how the August month will be go for overall, love, life and career. We will be checked with a very detailed. Okay, so see you guys in the next reading. Please stay tuned and see you guys in the next one. Love you all, take care, bye bye. Please give your support, please do subscribe, bye bye.